Hey, it's Dr. Dinky at Select Spine and Sports Medicine. So today we're having a competition. Who has the loudest neck crack? So you have to watch this. We're going to adjust several of the staff members. You have to comment their name down below on which one you think has the loudest neck cavitation. So here we go. We're doing Jerica first. We're gonna do a full spine adjustment here with Jerica. So go ahead and lay on your stomach first. And swing around this way. So get the upper back first. It's Friday morning. We're going into the weekend. I want everybody to feel pretty good. Get ready for the weekend. Time to relax. All right, we'll start here. Go ahead, breathe in and out for me. Good. Ooh, she's tight. Okay, one more. Good. Now breathe in and hold it in. Good, relax. We're gonna attack that a different way here in just a second. But let's go over. Tender there? Mm-hmm. All right, relax here. Good. There. Okay, now go on your side facing. So that mid-thoracic, that didn't move very well. We're going to do a different one. Make sure we get that. All right, switch right here. Good. All right, keep this relaxed. How was that? Like she wants to be like, oh. Okay, go that way now. Got any plans for the weekend?
Mm-hmm.
What?
We're going to Anahuac.
For those of you who don't know what that is, that's like out in the country.
For crawfish boil.
Crawfish. I love crawfish.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, now on your back. If you're not from Texas or Louisiana or the southeast somewhere, you probably don't know what crawfish are, but they're like little mini lobsters.
Mud bugs.
So good. Put spicy seasoning on them. Slide up towards me some. All right, let's loosen up this neck a little bit here. You have to drink beer when you eat crawfish too. That's kind of like one of the requirements.
Oh, yes.
Feeling a little tight there?
Mm-hmm.
Good, relax. All right, let's get this side first. Good, one more. Good, okay, now slide down that way. I didn't forget about this back here. So we're gonna get this way. Let me switch you a little bit here. Come down a little bit more. Good, relax. That there, we're gonna go here. So we call this an anterior adjustment. Just another way to adjust the thoracic spine. Go ahead, breathe in and out. There it was. That was the one that wouldn't go earlier. So different approach, same result. I feel all right?
Yep.
Now we're here with Amber, and this is actually Amber's first adjustment, especially on camera with me. So she went to another chiropractor before, now she works here. I gave her her first adjustment last week, so second adjustment by me. How was the first one?
It was good. Felt great afterwards.
Okay, great. I like great better than good. Okay, so lay on your stomach first. And drop your hands down to the floor. So she's a little bit tighter here, like shoulder blades here, right through there. All right. Go. Well, that's already moving. Go ahead, breathe in and out. Good. Breathe in, hold it. Good. Now let's come back to there. In and out again. referred her mom in, by the way. She's coming in like next week or something like that. She went to a different chiropractor first, and she kind of made a mistake, so now she's going to come in here. Good, all right, let's keep that relaxed. Good. Okay, now let's go on your side facing this way. That feel all right?
Yes.
Put this here, here. This way. Lean back with your shoulders some. It's already moving. Too easy. All right, go the other way. Feel all right?
Yes.
What are your plans this weekend?
Relaxing.
Good. Too easy. Okay, on your back. Like the harder ones.
Sorry. I told you I was ready.
Yeah. Alright, relax here. Loosen up this neck a little bit here. Don't want to go into it with the muscles being cold and stiff and tight. Stretch them out here a little bit, warm them up, get this neck nice and flexible. That way it's not uncomfortable. All right, nice and easy here now. Little baby one there. Better. All right, I feel okay?
I think I win.
We'll see. Brittinee's next, so keep watching. All right, we're here with Brittinee now. Remember, you're voting who has the loudest neck cavitation. Were you gonna do everything or only your neck?
Just my neck.
All right. Everything else is perfect with Brittinee, so we're just gonna do the neck. All right, slide up just a little bit. Good. All right.
You play my hair first?
Yeah, that's fun. Make sure it looks good. All right. Let's warm her up here a little bit. Oh, one already popped. We won't count that one. He probably didn't hear it. So Brittinee gets headaches from time to time, so we do some adjustments to help alleviate that. Guess she stares at the front computer and talks on the phone too much. You hold the phone with your shoulder?
Not usually, unless I have to.
Good. She can't answer two phones at one time. You have that on video for the record.
Professional phone answer.
Alright, let's see what we can do here. Keep that nice and relaxed. Good. Same thing this side. One more. Alright, don't forget, you gotta vote. Amber, Brittinee, or Jerica. Which one was the loudest, and which one did you like the best? Alright, now go like the video and put their name in a comment below which one you vote for.